already set the ball rolling.
Hey, Mom.
I'll call you back.
Hey, Mom.
Here she is. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, Mommy. Nice to meet you. You look so beautiful.
You look beautiful too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Stop, Mizia.
Your mom is so fine.
And you're beautiful, like I said. Mizia.
Yeah.
Please take her up.
Okay, come. Let me show you to the room.
Okay.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
It's alright.
Let's go.
Oh, we're going upstairs.
Yeah, it will be ready.
Would you let me do that all by myself?
Oh, come on. Let me hold you.
Okay.
Easy.
Thank you, Mom.
Stop.
It's okay. Don't worry, I'm fine. Mom, don't mind me. It's just being silly.
That's fine. It's okay.
Crossed my path, I knew
He's there.
that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me. And every day I've come to realize that I want you and I need you.
My son has said so many good things about you.
Searching for, yes, I love you. And I
So tell me,
need that I even understand
why do you like my son?
that you're the only one I love.
Well, I would say it's because he's handsome,
Okay.
he's loving, he's kind, he's humble, and most importantly, he's very intelligent.
Of course, I know my son is intelligent. Is that all you know about him?
For now.
Okay, that's fine. I know that my son is caring. And I must tell you, my son is every woman's dream. Of course. That's the son, rich.
Oh my God.
Sorry about that.
Where can I get the mop?
No, it's okay. Sit, please. I'll take care of it.
Are you sure?
Yes, my bad. It's okay. Sit.
I don't mind doing the cleaning,
It's
Mom.
okay. It's okay. Relax.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Mom, let me
Stop.
do it.
Sit.
Please.
It's okay.
Please,
Fine.
Ma, let me do it. I insist, please. I let you get the mop because I didn't know where to pick it from. Let me do it. Okay. Mom, can I get serve it so that I can use it and clean this? I can use the mop on the...
It's okay. Don't worry. I'll clean it up.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't want you to stress yourself. Yeah. Mom. Good morning.
Good morning. Marama.
Ma.
Hope you had a good night rest.
Yes, I did, and you hope you had a pleasant night.
Peaceful.
Oh, the aroma is delicious. What did you cook? I can perceive the aroma. I wish you can give me the recipe, Mom.
If you had woken up earlier to join me, you would have gotten it. All right. Please, could you help me make the custard? Let me use the baby's room, okay?
Sorry.
Are you all right?
Yes, ma.
Okay. Please.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, sir. How was your night?
Good. Yours?
I thank God.
I can perceive something delicious. What's cooking?
I'll leave you to guess.
What's that? What's that? Hey!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Ah, gosh! Oh! Hey!
What is it?
Oh!
Beginning. What is it?
Ah, my hand!
Yeah?
Wait. Calm down. What's that put on my hand?
What?
Ah, God!
It's okay. It's
God.
okay.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Don't
Don't touch it.
I don't understand. Let me see.
Wait, I wanted to pour the hot water inside the custard mix, and the thing mistakenly shifted from the and the thing just poured on my hand. Oh! Ah, God. Oh
But
my
I just placed the water on the fire before I left.
Yes, but it was really hot.
You mean the water could have boiled already?
God, yes. It was boiled. It was really hot. That's why I wanted to make the custard for you.
Stop talking too much. It's okay.
Oh God.
Let me get salt.
Maisie, please get water. Get water first. I need to quench the hotness. This
Salt
hurts.
okay.
No, it's giving me excruciating pain.
Sorry.
Ah!
It's okay.
God,
Hold on.
water. God, cover my hand with the precious blood of Jesus. Oh! Wait, no, don't bring the cup close to my hand. Ay, Jesus. Oh God, is this still going to be swollen? God,
With this
please.
cold water now, it will be fine, okay?
Are you sure? I don't want anything to
after now, I'll put
happen
salt.
or disfigure my fingers and my
No,
hand.
I won't allow that.
Oh God. Ah, shit.
Hey.
No, don't
Change your
please.
color now, eh?
Hello, Eki.
Onny, what's up?
It's been tough here. The mother asked me to make custard. I had to fake domestic accident, so I would not own up to that responsibility because I can't. I can't. Babe, this is not funny now. Eh? This is not funny. I'm a woman. I'm supposed to know how to do all of this. I regretted ever not following you for that cooking class.
I'm sorry that I'm laughing.
Listen, once I come back, you see that kitchen duty? We are doing it together. You will teach me how to make all manner of dishes, local, continental, everything. I need to learn.
What can I say? I told you so.
See, days of me not knowing how to cook are already gone. Now I need to be the baddest chef on earth. Yes. Babe, it's not funny, please.
You shouldn't have gone in the first place.
Please, I beg of you. I'll call you back.
You mind if I join you?
It's okay, ma.
Alright. So how is your hand?
Oh, it's still a bit painful, but it's fine. Thank God it's not swollen.
Sorry about that.
Thank you, ma.
You know, when Maisie was little, I used to help him select his clothes. Yes. Choose what shoes to wear, and even the hairstyle to cut.
I know you must have really been making good choices for him as a good mother.
Of course, that makes me a good mother. I know what is good for my son. And I know the kind of wife I want for my son.
Baby, you just need to relax, okay?
How can I relax when your mom hates you?
You've just been here for one night and you can conclude.
Missy, please don't be naive. It's obvious the way she looks at me and everything. And to worsen it all, I messed up today. I disappointed her.
It was a mistake, right?
Yes, it was. It was a mistake.
See, you're off to a rocky start. And it's no big deal.
She's your mother. Her approval is a big deal for me.
And you have the chance to win her over tomorrow. Another chance. Hey, come here, babe. Oh, sorry, my love. I forgot. You, come on, see your hand, though. Easy.
Hello?
The world can fight us, but can't tear us apart.
Our plan is in motion.
'Cause with you I'm
Phase 1 completed.
With you I know I belong.
Let phase 2 begin.
They don't even understand that you're the only one I love.
I'll talk to you.
They don't even understand that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even get it. They don't even know it. Won't understand you're the one for me.
I know I'm not running the company yet, but from what I'm saying, a lot needs to be changed.
Come to think of it, the company has been making a whole lot of profit.
Yes, I know, but it will be better, especially in the real estate sector.
Make me understand about this real estate sector.
Yes, I've done a new business plan that will help the company leverage on its available resources to multiply on its income.
Wow. This is your plan. Can I see it?
Of course. Let me show you. Look at it. It's a new plan.
Wow. You're a genius.
Really.
This is a brilliant plan. How did you come up with this, man?
That is it, I have to think.
Genius. Sorry. Yeah, hello, Martins. Okay, but I'm in a meeting now with my cousin. Is it so important that I should come now? Okay. Give me about 15 minutes, I'll be with you. Okay. Bro, I have to leave you, so it's really important.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You take care.
Yeah, you too.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you.
Babe,
Yeah.
guess what?
What?
I successfully downloaded the software in your laptop.
Oh my God.
I told you I was going to do it.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
What will I do without you?
Everything.
Thank you so much. But how did you do it?
I told you I was going to do it, but you never believed I could.
I know, but what software? Because
Don't worry, your laptop is charged and you will see it when we get there. Should I get the door?
hold on, let me get it. Hold on. Hi.
Hello. Hi, Adrian. How are you? Very well. Where's mommy?
She's in the kitchen.
Okay, I'll just go see her. Mommy?
Yes. So which software did you use to get that? Are you okay? Yeah, okay.
Well, I just told you I was going to do it.
How did you do it?
Hey, I just want to see you outside for a minute. I just want to see you outside. Let's go.
Mom!
I don't understand. Are you not happy to see me?
You got me worried. No call, no test. You just showed up here like all is well.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm here now.
It's alright. All forgiven.
Thank you. So can I get a hug?
Lola says she wants the two ladies in the kitchen with her.
Okay.
So what are you guys cooking?
Bitter soup with semo.
Oh, your favorite.
Okay. I'm coming.
Okay. Are you coming?
Yeah, coming.
Okay.
Onye, please leave those cups. Don't worry about that. Help us marinate the meat, okay? Please hurry. Uju,
Yes, ma'am.
prepare the water for Semo.
Okay.
Be fast! We need the meat to prepare the soup. Please hurry. What? What are you doing?
I am marinating the meat as you instructed. I'd already added pepper. It's time that I want to...
Inside the meat. Eh? You added pepper. What is this? Allow the real women to handle that. What is this? Is this how you cook? At your age? Eh? You want to cook the meat with this kind of pepper? You couldn't even blend it. What is this nonsense for?
I'm sorry.
Oh, shut up! You're so irresponsible.
Yeah, I didn't want this pepper to hurt me. That's why I put it so that...
Just listen to yourself. Woe unto you. A woman for that matter. Eh? Ndi my son Gano. And you want to get married to my son. Shame on you! Nenua. I didn't see that coming. Eh?
Well.
She would have prepared poison for us today. What is this? Wanting to boil the meat with balls of pepper. She would have thrown this ball of onions inside it.
Don't it already, Mommy.
This girl is terrible.
It's right.
What can I say?
It's alright, I'm here. I'll do the rest.
It's working out. Please just hurry.
Okay, Mommy.
Hey! What was she trying to explain?
I don't know.
Babe,
I'm sorry.
what is it?
I'm sorry.
What is it?
Your mom.
My mom? Mom, what's so funny? Mom, what's so funny?
You want to know what is funny?
Yes.
That pathetic, undomesticated pretty face of a girlfriend.
What? Mom?
Maisie, are you under a spell?
Mom, you're crossing the line.
Maisie, you need to answer. You need to answer the question.
So this is what this is all about, right?
Yes, it is. She cannot cook nor clean.
That does not make her less of a woman. Or it's not even enough to make her the subject of ridicule.
Listen, Monsieur, I know you're desperate to take over your father's company, but she is not good for you. Oh! Yes, you heard me. She is not good for you.
This is not good. It's not good at all. It's not right.
What nonsense.
God.
Babe.
God.
Babe.
What is she talking about?
But it's not what you think, okay? Calm down, let me explain to you. Okay? Let me explain to you, please.
So I'm a means to an end.
Babe, come on.
I am a means to an end!
Stop this.
Yes! You're a means to a terrible end. That is who you are.
Mom, please stop. Mom.
Oh, shut up.
Stop this! Babe, hold on. Hold on, please. You're happy, right? You're happy? Babe, hold on, please. Babe.
Come here.
Thank you.
That's my baby. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
She doesn't have a choice.
Right.
Of course, she will leave immediately.
Thank you, that's what I want.
You have it, baby.
Babe, please.
Hey, please. You should have told me you brought me here to insult and humiliate me.
It wasn't my intention at all.
You are a liar. You are a liar.
Why didn't you mention to me that you cannot cook?
So that's your problem too, right?
That's never my problem. Okay? I wish, but you would have mentioned it.
When were you going to tell me that you were using me? When?
That's not true. You see, my mother...
No, she said the truth. That is the truth. Go to Uju. Be with Uju. Marry her at least. With her, you'll be able to secure your father's company. That's all you want. You don't love me. You don't care about me. So stay away from me.
Can you calm down?
No, I will not calm down.
Babe, we need to talk this thing over, okay?
Not for this.
Come on.
Don't touch my box.
Babe, we need to talk it over, okay? Calm down. Babe, please.
I said
please.
excuse me.
Babe, hold on. Let's just...
I said excuse. Don't touch my bag. Just leave my bag.
Babe, Onye, stop this now, please.
All this happened last night.
Yeah. I was so embarrassed. Very.
It's okay.
I don't know why I allowed myself to be used to this extent.
You have to stop crying. You can't continue to cry like this.
It's all my fault. I should have listened to you. Shouldn't have even gone to that place at all.
Yes.
You need to have seen the way I was embarrassed.
I told you, but you wouldn't listen. But that still doesn't give them the right to treat you the way they did.
I blame myself for everything. I would have known it was too good to be real.
If you ask me, I think you dodged a bullet.
You don't have to say that about Mezie. Mezie is a great guy. Yeah.
He's a great guy and still used you to get to his father's company.
That's another point.
It's okay. At least you got the plot on time. You can use your time to do important things now and get yourself ready for the best man.
The best man?
Yes.
Okay, who is going to love me like this? I can't even make pap. Is that bad?
And who said our worth is only defined in the kitchen?
But that's the measuring scale for a wife material in Africa. Every African woman is expected to
be resilient, hardworking, and teachable. Our strength is not only in the kitchen. Look, Onny, you're an amazing woman. Forget about this societal stereotype that our strength is only in the kitchen. Oh, look, you're going to learn how to cook. And I will teach you. Not because you want to impress him or any other person in the society, but because it's a fundamental skill that everyone needs, no matter the gender.
Oh God. Okay. Thank you. You're a friend in need. You're a friend indeed. Thank you, my head aches.
Oh, so sorry. Should I get you painkiller?
No, just get me water. A glass of water will do.
Okay.
What about the sacrifices? You're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand. You're the only one I love, the only one I need. The world can fight us, but they can't tear us apart. 'Cause with you I'm stronger, with you I know I belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't really get it, they don't really know it. They don't wanna know you're the one for me. They don't really get it, they don't really know it. They don't really know you're the one for me. The world can fight us, but can't tear us apart. 'Cause with you I'm stronger, with you I know I belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need.
So the yam is cooking now. The next thing you're going to add is the crayfish and the pepper with the onion. But you're going to allow it to boil small. You know, I just added the oil now.
Okay.
Then after you slice these vegetables small. Huh?
Okay.
Then, but you allow the yam to get done first. This is the last thing you're going to put. Okay. And once you add it, just give it like a minute, because it needs to be fresh.
Yes.
So what did I just say?
Okay. My professional chef just said that I should add crayfish, onion, pepper.
Yes.
Wait for a while. Gently stylishly, swaggerliciously slice slice the pumpkin leaf, the ugu.
Yes.
Then I'll put it when the food is done.
Exactly.
So,
when the yam is done.
When the yam is done, so it will be fresh and yummy and crunchy.
Fine. You're learning so fast too.
You're teaching me so well. It takes two.
Okay, before we do that, you're going to give you like 5 minutes, 5 more minutes before we add all this.
Okay, but promise me you will teach me how to make omumu.
Of course, I'm here for you.
So after this, we'll do that later in the day. Then tomorrow.
What do you want? Moi. No problem. It's done already. Thank you.
Then after that, we can now do other local delicacies like abacha.
Anything you want, I'm here for you. It's very easy. It's not that hard.
I'm seeing it.
So let's
yes. So crayfish, onion, pepper. Wait a while. Slice pumpkin, add it, and bring it down.
That's my dear. Very smart girl.
Thank you so much.
Are you sure you're ready to go back to work?
I am. I don't even have an option. People go through heartbreak every day. It shouldn't stop me, right? Moreover, my sick leave is over. I need to resume.
Oh, come on, girl. Stop getting yourself worked up.
Am I crazy to still be in love with him?
No, you're not. If you love him that much, why don't you talk to him?
I'm terribly hot.
I know, dear. But you need to stop sulking. Technically, it was his mother and his best friend that offended you, not him.
On whose side are you?
Baby girl, I am on your side.
It doesn't seem so.
So now you go with your shoulders up and your head held high because you're a formidable woman.
Thank you so much for your words of encouragement.
Oh. All right.
See you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
I miss you so much.
It's okay. Let me go and count people's money.
When you crossed my path, I knew that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me.
You know you cannot ignore me forever.
Watch me.
Hey, Missy, wait, hold on. I know that you're upset with me, but Missy, our hearts were in the right place.
A very misguided place. I understand why my mom should, but for you, I don't really understand why you should be so desperate.
Desperate? Me desperate? I don't understand it. Maisie, I have been with you for a very long time. I've been with you for years. I cared for you. I loved you, but you left me for another person. So yes, I'm desperate.
So you would want another woman to be humiliated?
Yes, because you're stupid enough to say that she's not meant for you.
Oh, yeah. That is what we're talking about. That is it. I'm a grown man. I have my decisions to make. You don't make decisions for me. Would you say, you're my childhood friend. I loved you like a sister. I'm not loving you in that way you're thinking. Okay? Uchu, it's not you. I am not in love with you. I'm not angry with you. I'm not pushing you away, but that attachment that you wanted is not it. I'm not feeling it. I'm seeing you like my sister. Okay? Please.
It's not what
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? So would you come and understand? Understand this. Understand this.
It's not what I want.
Bro, just man up. Have some drink.
can't take this anymore. I'm actually losing my mind.
Don't you think she needs some space?
Some space? It's almost 2 weeks now. So I know I've given her enough space.
Lizzie, listen to me. I think it's high time you let Onye go.
They've gotten you to, right?
Bro, listen. I'm being very honest with you here.
Onye is a nice woman. She's really a nice person, and I'm not going to let her go until I get her back to myself.
Bro, you're not even getting the point. This is the same woman that failed Lolo's tests. Series of tests. She failed woefully. This girl is not a wife material.
Hey, please. Please, don't talk about her like that. Please. All these things are social construct. Forget about whatever wife material. Forget it.
Lizzie, come on. Let's face reality. Leave this girl and let's forge on with things you're doing. I don't like the way you're looking these days.
This life you're seeing right now will never be complete without Onye in it.
So you still want this girl? But let me tell you something. Lola won't be happy about this. Hope you know that.
At this point, I don't care anymore. Yeah. This is my life.
Such an interesting film. I swear, can you imagine? Are you expecting someone? Not at all. How about you? Oh. So what would that be? Let me get it there. Yes?
Is Onye in?
What are you doing here? I ask again. What are you doing here?
Can you just calm down so we'll talk?
Talk about what? There is nothing to talk with you. Just leave this house.
I've been trying to get you on the phone, but it's unavailable.
That's how unavailable I am to people who don't know my value. Let me even ask you, do you love me? Do you love me?
Of course I do.
You don't.
I do love
But
you.
you stood and watched your mom insult me, humiliate me.
I can't blame my mom for an opinion.
I can't condone archaic ideologies and judgmental behavior. I can't.
You make it sound like it's my mom's fault that you cannot cook.
Oh, really? Now I get the point. So you also have a problem with that, right?
It would have been a problem if you had told me. You understand?
I don't understand.
You see, in this part of the world, women cook, do house chores, clean, wash, and all that. I don't even know if you can do all that.
Enough of that stereotype. Men do that too. And ever since the incident in your house, you never bothered to ask me why I don't know how to cook. Don't worry, I get it. You see this thing? You see, us, you and I, this whole relationship thing, it's not going to work. You don't love me. You just want to use me to get your father's company.
No, that's not true.
Well, that's the truth. You don't love me.
You need to calm down. Let's talk, babe. Okay?
Okay, I'm down.
See, take it easy.
Mezie, get out. Use the door. I said get out. I don't want to be disrespectful. Just leave me alone.
Babe.
Use the door.
Onye.
I said the door. Leave.
Onye.
What is the matter? You're leaving?
Yes, Mother, I have to go.
But why? I told you that Mezie will come around soon.
No, he has already made his choice and it wasn't me. It's not me now.
Listen, don't let this attitude deter you. We're almost at the finishing line.
No. He has been miserable ever since this thing started. He has now.
He will get over it. I know myself.
No, he's not going to get it. No, just wait it. I have to go. He's not going to get over it. And this thing we've been doing, it's not good. It's not okay. I can't lose my friend over this now.
Please, listen to me. Please, you need to stay back. Don't go.
No, trust me. This is for the best. Okay? It's the best decision ever. Please. Thank you. God bless you. Let me just go. Take care of yourself.
Going out again?
Yes.
Please come sit for a minute.
What is it?
Please sit. Lizzie, you're hardly at home. You return late and barely speak to me about it.
What do you want from me?
I want you to be embarrassed. Pick your wife and take charge of your father's household.
Which I did. Yes, I've done that already, but you sabotaged it.
Only is not good for you. Can't you get it?
That is not for you to judge. It's me.
But as your mother, I'm supposed to steer you to the right direction.
Mom, I'm no longer a child. I have my decisions to make.
Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me. And every day I've come to realize that I want you and I need you. You're the one that I've been searching for. Yes, I love you and I need you. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. What about the sacrifices? You're the only one I love.
I don't think this is a good idea.
It's the only option that I have, so I need to do this.
I'm not feeling supporting of what you're about to do.
Well, I don't know. I just have to do it like I said. I need to see her.
It's alright. I'll be here waiting in case you get chased out by bulldogs.
Alright, no problem. Thank you so much. I'm just going to take my hand back from behind.
Okay.
Please wait for me like I said. But I know I'll be fine.
Please stay safe, okay?
It's okay.
Who's there? Hold on. Hi, what are you doing here? No, I'm asking you a question and you're entering you're barging into my house.
Please calm down. I'm just here to see you.
To see me for what exactly?
I'm here. I'm just here to say I'm sorry.
No, you're here to rub it on my face. I know it. You've always wanted Maisie for yourself.
family friend. Now you have him all to yourself. I'm sure you're happy. So don't come here to rub it on my face. Just leave my house immediately.
Onny, please. I am sorry and I am ashamed. I just need you to listen to me.
Listen to what you have to say. The crap that will come out of your mouth. I am not interested.
Oh yeah, I know you're angry. I know you're furious. But
Would
just
you?
listen.
Leave my house.
No, Onyenye, listen to me. Whatever I have to say, you really need to hear it. Okay, just let's sit down. It's not about me being sorry. It's not about me being ashamed of myself. But I need to say some things to you, please.
I'm not interested. Leave.
Please.
Leave.
Onyenye, sincerely, I realized that I was being foolish. I was being childish. And I am so sorry. Okay? I should have supported your relationship with Maisie and I didn't. Listen, you make him so happy.
But that happiness does not radiate in his mother.
No, she will come around.
No, she won't. I know her type. She's like my late dad. Very mean, rigid, and myopic. My late dad berated my late mom because she was unable to give him a son. He dehumanized her, maltreated her, treated her as if she doesn't matter, reduced her self-worth with maltreatment and unprintable words. My mother could not leave. She was raised to stick with her husband no matter the situation. Divorce is not allowed. So she tolerated him. Whilst at it, my father couldn't tolerate her anymore. He felt she was less. He started dating someone else. An independent woman. Let me remind you that my mother did not further her education. She got married early. And after their marriage, even before their marriage, my father promised my mother that she's going to continue her education. But he never allowed her. My father started dating this girl who is very educated, self-made, independent, brilliant, exposed, and started rubbing that on my mother. It got to a point that he couldn't keep her as a side chick anymore. He had to divorce my mother and marry the girl. Our night came in the morning. Everything turned for worse for my mother and I. We suffered. But my mom made a decision that I don't end up like her. After we moved on with our lives, my mother would not allow me to even touch a pin. She said, "You are going to be the version of me I never been in my life. That dream, the school, everything I couldn't do, you would do it." She would go inside the kitchen, prepare the meals, do the house chores. Even when I tried to help, she wouldn't let me. She would always say, "Onyinyechi, go and read your book. I want you to be a banker. I want you to be an independent woman. I want you to be more for yourself. You can hire a chef. You can bring people to do all of the house chores, but you need something for yourself." That was it. And my concentration was not on those house chores. It was mainly on building myself, maximizing my potentials, becoming a better version of myself, and of course, becoming independent. That's what I was taught. I'm not proud of it, but that's my story. That's my situation.
Onyenye, I don't know what to say, but I'm sorry. I never knew about all of this.
Yeah, this is part of me I don't tell people. I'm not fond of telling my stories.
You should. You know why you should? Because you're an independent, intentional, energetic, and lovable woman. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Those words means a lot to me. Thank you. So, what's up with you and Maisie?
Maisie, we've not spoken in a long while.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we haven't.
How is he?
You did the truth.
Hope he's fine.
No, he's not. Onye, he needs you. He's not doing well. He isn't. He's broken. He's shattered.
Onye, he wants you. You're the person he needs in his life.
Cause with you I'm stronger. With you I know I belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand it, you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't really get it, they don't really know it. They don't wanna know you're the one for me. They don't really get it, they don't really.
You don't have to go.
There is nothing for me here. Absolutely nothing.
I'm deeply sorry. This is all my fault. Please.
Without a wife, I am not getting my father's company. So without Onye, my life is incomplete. So I'm better off back in Scotland.
Okay. Even if you're leaving, you have to eat first.
I'm not hungry.
Son, please. You can't just go like this. Come on, please.
No, please.
Please.
Oh.
Please, I'm sorry. Please. Because like I said, I am truly sorry.
The only one I need. The world can fight us, but they can't tear us apart. Cause with you I'm stronger. With you I know I belong. Obstacles may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know. With you I truly belong. They don't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. They don't even understand it.
Hey, come on, you guys don't have to do this.
And you don't have to go.
Onye,
Hi, Museum.
you're here?
Yes, I am. And I will always be.
I thought you hated me.
I never did. I was just upset with you. You don't have to go.
I am not going anywhere either. This life will never be complete without you by my side.
My life will be miserable without you by my side. I love you too, baby. I missed you so much.
She actually prepared this meal especially for me.
Who?
Me.
How?
I'm one of the best chefs in town right now. I had to do what I have to do to be a better woman for you. I did. And I can make different kind of dishes. Local, continental, chocolate and butter.
Wait. You did this?
Yes, of course she. We did it.
Oh, I love you.
So,
Come here. Come here. You do this again, right? Uju, I am sorry for the way I spoke to you. Sorry for everything.
Come on, you don't need to apologize. I mean, everything you said was the truth. I'm really happy for you both. So, you deserve each other.
thank you, Joe, my G.
Wow.
Alright, that's right. So now that everything is fine, shall we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look, I like, having me on one. You're
okay. You're
a perfect
gentleman.
Thank you.
When you crossed my path, I knew that you were the one for me. Across the distance and the oceans between us, you're the one for me. And every day I've come to realize that I want you and I need you. You're the one that I've been searching for. Yes, I love you and I need you. Didn't even understand it, that you're the only one I love, the only one I need. What about the sacrifices? You're the only one I love, the only one I need. Didn't even understand. You're the only one I love, the only one I need. The world can fight us, but they can't tear us apart. 'Cause with you I'm stronger, with you I know I belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you I truly belong. Obstacle may come and go, but with you I know, with you